me your butt. Give me your butt.
You're stuck on it.
Come on.
Wow. Wow.
The invisible snowball.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get it. Where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
How dare you? If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then,
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Что тебя поставили в угол?
За хреновое поведение, то, что я баловался.
За какое поведение?
Хреновое то, что я баловался.
Какое?
Хреновое поведение.
good girl.
Shake. Shake. Good girl.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
This is a furry potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle tater. Furry potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big ol' potato boot.
Sevi heel. I forgot he's Australian. Oh, slow down, you dickhead.
Winston, that's not a door. You can come through that. Come here. He loves cheese. Winston, just get it.
Not
not yours. Stop licking on my stuff. You got your whole paw around my shit. Give me my cup. Give me my cup.
Do you want to go for a run? Do you... Wait. Wait. Well, I'm not ready yet. I gotta get the board down. Ready? Go! Go home, baby.
So I just got up and walked into the kitchen. Leo! Leo! Bad! Bad dog. Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you do this? Did you do this? Really? Can I see your face? Yeah. Find all this mess. Porridge oats absolutely everywhere. I wonder who it is. Is it Boss? Nope. Maybe it's Elvis. Is it Elvis? No. I don't know. Maybe it's... Oh, could it be Gary? I wonder. Look at your face. How do you feel?
That is not good. That puts you in danger and me in danger. Don't go out without a leash ever again. Yes, ma'am. Good.